If your visuals feel flat, adding controlled depth through framing can completely change the outcome. Today, how to create visual storytelling layouts. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1350 vertical canvas. Start by inserting 3 rectangular frames stacked vertically with equal spacing. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting the crop so each image clearly represents a step in the story. Now select the background and apply a soft gradient that flows from top to bottom. Add small captions under each frame using a clean font. Duplicate one frame, enlarge it slightly, and place it behind with reduced opacity to create a subtle layered effect. Use